In this era of rapid change, in order to keep up with the rapid development of this era, we MOSTRO with high-quality video to show our ability to provide customers with immersive experience. Our factory is developing from traditional industrial technology to innovation. Under the traditional process, the production cost of the equipment spare part is high and time-consuming, which needs professional mold master to debug slowly. Now, the factory has introduced this CNC. All the spare parts can be made quickly and accurately through the precise calculation of the computer. One side is to reduce the cost, the other side is to keep clean, but professional mold master is still very important. Under the continuous innovation, the communication between the master and the boss has always occupied an important position. Only through continuous learning and communication, timely feedback information can achieve the goal faster. At the same time, the boss of the factory, using 3D modeling, constantly designs and improves the machine on the computer. Through simulation, more unnecessary errors can be reduced and more efficient machine can be made. Please believe us, MOSTRO. We always aim to provide better service for our customers. We will be your better choice.